Open your eyes. It's your very own Pinky dollhouse. It's got Sprunki friends, furniture, and even a button. Don't push. Uh-oh, I don't think she can read. Well, it looks like someone's going on a trip. Talk about interactive. Now you're a part of the Sprunki family. What a busy day, shrinking and all. Take a nap. Uh-oh, a mosquito got past our net. And it looks like they brought their appetite. Hey, keep your proboscis to yourself. Don't worry, it's Mama Pinky to the rescue. Yeah, hit that bug where the sun don't shine. Good riddance. Let's make sure she's okay. Not too bad, but she's covered in sores. Don't worry, Mama Pinky knows what to do. Let's get a new and improved mosquito net. And this time, we'll go for the direct approach. Sleep nice and tight. Those bad bugs won't bite. But it won't be for a lack of trying. So why don't you fly away home, Bugaboo? Coloring sure is fun. Look, it's Finaria. Let's show Pinky. Aw, this is going right on the fridge. And that shirt is going straight in the wash. Wait, Mama's got another idea. Cut out Finaria and cover her in food wrap. Is there nothing laminating can't solve? Now iron her right onto the top. Make sure you cover up that stain. It's so cool, you might even start a new trend. If only it was this easy to get her to eat broccoli. Uh-oh, someone's been caught dirty-handed too. Mama's gonna cook up a special solution. Just mix sugar, baking soda, starch, and flour together. It looks a little dry. Add some water. And some food coloring while we're at it. Sculpt into a bunch of fun shapes. Like ducks and teddy bears. Of course, they're fun to smush up. But they're even more fun to gobble up. She just loves this mini garden, but careful with those thorns. Oh no! Your ice cream! Oh, things couldn't get worse. Wait, the popsicle stick is the answer. We can use it to make a pair of tongs. And the thorn is gone. Now let's treat it. Of course, we can't forget the most important part. A fun Band-Aid to cover up the boo-boo. Just pick your favorite Sprunki character. Aw, she chose the face she loved best. Careful, that soap sure is slippery. Guess it's nap time for Papa Oren. But Mama knows how to keep those hands clean. Just grab some tissues and add some soap. stack them up like a cute little book. Complete with cover.
Wow!
Now just grab a sheet and wash those hands. Don't forget the water. It's kind of important. Ah, they're nice and clean. And Papa's okay too. It's Mama Pinky's beauty box. She's even got a tiara. But she's got an eye on all those rings. Of course, why not try on the whole box? Move over, Snow White. She's the fairest now. Uh-oh, what goes in must come out. Guess you really just rent chocolate. Oh no! You dropped all of Pinky's rings! And she didn't even get them insured. This time, Oren's going to help. About time, I might add. Take pillbox buttons and make them into familiar faces. You'll have personalized costume jewelry. Sure, she can walk, but crawling's so much more fun. Of course, it's pretty dirty work. Oh no! Your PJs are a big mess! We're gonna have to clean you up. And Dad's mop pad is just what we need. Take a bunch of them and cover yourself up.
Yay!
Now you can have fun on the floor and help clean up while you're at it. Meanwhile, Dad gets a little break from spring cleaning. Well, Pinky's confused. Aw, she's making dust angels. Hey, it's one way to clean house.
Wow!
Well, somebody's got the gift of gab. But what they could use is some mouthwash. How about we start with some light brushing?
Come on!
Come on, don't you want healthy teeth? Hey, you can't bite if your teeth fall out. Looks like Mom and Dad need to team up. We'll make dental health fun with a little game. Just need a bag, glue, and pom-poms.
Hey!
Here, why don't you try this new game? Just pretend this brush is your magic wand. Use it to wipe away all that gunk. Soon you'll see those pearly whites. Now you know how fun it can be to clean your teeth. And so the prince and princess lived happily ever after. She's asleep. Doesn't seem like a bad idea, honestly. Not exactly a king-size bed, is it? Don't worry! Super Papa to the rescue! It's okay. There's room for both of you. But how do we prevent another fall? Aha! Add some tennis rackets for a makeshift crib. Of course, she might feel that in the morning. A lot of kids love bugs, but some eventually grow out of it.
Hey! What?
Guess Pinky's in the latter category. Oren heard screaming. Everything okay?
What?
Naughty bug. Get out of here. Here, we even packed you lunch to go. He got the message. Now,
Yes.
let's grab a piece of foil. Find something round, like a marble, and cover it up. Why don't we give it some color next? Good idea. Give it a cute ladybug pattern. Why don't we take it for a spin? And make a whole group of ladybugs. Did you know a group is called a loveliness? I think Papa Orange earned a little break. Besides, it's best he's not awake for what she's got planned. Uh-oh,
What?
Pinky doesn't like the look of that.
Come on.
Face paint is best left to professionals. So, you like arts and crafts, huh? Well, every artist needs an easel. Here's an idea. Cover it up with tissue. Plus a few other decorations. This is a special easel. Add some water. And you can see the painting underneath. Look, it's your two favorite people. Art really is where the heart is. Try some water. It's like ice in liquid form. Of course, there might be a bit of an aftertaste. Here, how about something nice and grape-flavored instead? And it comes with a cute dispenser. Just press down and pour yourself a glass. Cheers! Now isn't that better? Guess you found our secret ingredient. We've got fresh fruit, but they're not for eating, silly. Time to put those bunny feet to use. You kick, and she'll kick back and have a sip. Wait, do you know where those feet have been? There's more than one way to skin some fruit. Besides, we can use our special bunny blender. Good thing we've got some leftover fruit. Ooh, shall we set things to puree? Now we've got some pretty and pink smoothies. What you waiting for? Have a sip. Hey, what's that? Well, this candy's seen better days. Yeah, I don't think the 5-second rule applies here. Uh-oh, Wenda needs to go. Well, from flower pot to chamber pot. But I don't think you know who will be happy about this. This cat could sure use a litter box. Better yet, a throne fit for the king of the beasts. Have a seat. Or would you prefer porcelain? Don't be scared. Just keep pushing. Sure, things might be coming up marshmallows, but I'd still close the lid if I were you. Okay, Pinky, time to put your feet up. But you know, a little mouthwash wouldn't hurt either. You check out that mouth, I'll open a window. I was wondering where that teacup was. It's okay. Nothing some extra strong brushing can't fix. But that brush might just make things worse. Besides, dentists just love electric toothbrushes. And they do all the moving and shaking for you. Now say goodbye to all that gunk. Much better. Just don't forget to floss.